Welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
And today we're going to do protein smoothies.
Yes.
Yes, because we like to work out.
Yes, we do.
Sometimes. But
not all the time.
Not all the time, but this is a good, I don't want to say meal substitution because you should still eat. But it's a good snack in the meantime, and it's full of good stuff. So
full of green stuff.
Full of green stuff, which I personally can only drink. You will never catch me eating it. So this is the best route for someone like me.
I can't believe you don't like spinach.
It's green.
Avocados? They're so good.
They're also green. I do like guacamole.
Oh, okay.
So
all right.
That's slightly winning. So should we get down
all right,
to it?
Let's do it.
All right.
I'm excited.
I'm gonna tell you what to do and then you just dump it in.
Okay.
Because it's really easy.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Wonder ready.
Let's go. Let's put the spinach in first because it's so bulky. I feel like it does better in a blender.
Do you want it all in it first? Or
maybe do half of that.
Okay.
Now we're going to do the Greek yogurt.
Ooh, Greek yogurt.
So this is a heaping 1/4 of a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt because I don't like plain. Plain is better for you.
I just want to lick the cup. It's so good.
You can't do that. Oh. I'm no fun. You're no fun. I know. And now we have strawberries, blueberries, frozen avocado. Who knew that was a thing?
That is a thing.
And I have a couple dark cherries in here that are just frozen as well. Now the strawberries I buy at Costco in bulk because for some reason those strawberries just taste better than everywhere else. I love them. So what you can do if you don't need 2 pounds of strawberries is take what you need and then just freeze the rest. You don't have to do anything to them except just throw them in because I leave the greens on. Oh, because I'm a rebel.
Because she likes greens.
Secretly deep down. All right, so I'm gonna have you pour those bad boys in carefully.
Okay.
Since you're tall.
Going in. Look at that. Oh, look at, we made art, Carolyn.
And then we have a half a banana, so I'm just gonna put it into pieces and put it in. I like your
you like my
smushing
method
technique. You do realize it's gonna get blended, right?
Yeah. Pushing it all down in there.
Smush.
Yes.
Smush it in.
What's next?
Okay, this is a scoop of protein powder. Let me show you the bin that it comes in. It's a bag, it's not a bin. But it's this, and you get it at Costco, and it tastes good. There's a lot of protein powder that it just tastes bad.
Ooh, and it
has a
smells
weird
good,
taste.
too.
This stuff's amazing.
And how much protein is 1 scoop?
24 grams of protein. And
Am I at it?
There's only 3 grams of sugar, so it's not like it's, you know, it's all the good stuff, none of the bad stuff. Pour it in.
It's good stuff. Chocolate protein powder.
Protein powder.
Yay, we're getting
like
healthy.
We're trying. Now for the last few things, we're going to add some flaxseed meal. I just do 2 tablespoons of this stuff. It has a texture to it.
Heaping.
It makes it feel like when you add oats to cookies, like there's a little bit of a chew about it. It's not unpleasant. I don't know if it smells good. I've never sniffed it.
Yeah, it smells a little funky, but that's okay.
It's flaxseed.
It's gonna be hidden in here. We're not even gonna know what's in here.
And we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds because chia seeds are amazing. I love chia seeds, but they will get stuck in your teeth. So if you make this and you have to go somewhere, bring floss. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of milk. We have a cup here. It doesn't always take a cup. Just see how frozen stuff is. Sometimes it doesn't want to give. If your fruit is fresh, it'll go real easy. You won't need a lot. So we're gonna add just a little bit to get everybody moving in the party.
The milk is
get
coming
everybody
to the party.
going, and then we'll blend it up and see what we need. Keep going. Let's add a little more milk to it.
Add some more milk.
Yep.
Going in here.
Oh, you can pour it in there.
Yes, let's do it this way.
Fancy.
Looky here.
Oh, you can pulse at the same time.
Yay.
Wow.
Hold on, we better shut the lid.
She's not.
Ready?
And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Let's
Cool.
get it out and into some cups. Get it in there.
All right. Come on in. Come join the party.
And it makes a lot, so I've never successfully made a smoothie for 1. It always comes out to this amount.
It does make a lot. Wow.
It's a lot of spinach. And you can't refreeze it, unfortunately.
Yummy! I'm so excited.
Get it. It smells so good. I love all that fruit.
I am so excited now. I think we need to go work out.
You got a treadmill.
I do.
We could go to the treadmill and do some squats.
Run. Okay. Run. We need to run.
Winded. Now I need a drink. Oh my god!
Come to me, baby.
And a spoon.
That's very thick. Come on. Is yours coming through now?
Yeah. You gotta get it, Kim.
Cheers, bestie. This is a delicious protein smoothie.
It is. And it has
Full of
spinach in it.
Fruit
And
and green.
avocados. Green things.
You don't even taste it.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. I like this. I like the smoothies thick.
I
don't like them runny.
If they're too runny, they don't last, I don't think, in your system. They don't make me feel as full. If you like it thinner, you can add water or more milk.
And we're getting protein.
And lots of protein. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned a good new smoothie recipe. If you try it, let us know. Let us know what you think.
Thanks, you guys.
We'll see you soon.
Delicious.
It is good.
We're gonna go work out now.
We are. Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
Go. Here, we should eat a piece of spinach.
You're savage. What are you doing? I'll tell you. I would tell you we're that good of friends.
That's good.
I'm gonna take that away from you. All the greens you're making me feel bad. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned a good new smoothie recipe. And it is tasty.
Thanks for watching us.
Yeah, I just ran out of things to say.